Hello everyone, this is handzy.craft and today we are going to be making cards. I am making it inspired by Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 248. In this magazine there are many ideas of what to do with the stamp set that comes in the kit. And also there is a lot of other creative information. And on the last page I have my Christmas cards. The stamps are interesting and very beautiful. So let's start. We take archival ink ground espresso, cardstock and a poinsettia stamp. We make a print and immediately cover it with embossing glitter Aladdin. After blowing with a heat tool, this is how the wonderful poinsettia turns out. We make these prints only using embossing glitter. It turns out very sparkly. In this way, we make prints with other stamps. We stamp on the vellum paper as well only with embossing glitter Aladdin. It turns out so elegant and gentle. We continue to make as many prints as we want. I did more than I needed to, but it never hurts to have spares. Now, with the help of watercolor paints, we paint our prints which are made on cardstock. For brightness and saturation, I also added a little acrylic paint. We dilute water with white pearl paint and make splashes on our coloring pages, as if we are sprinkling snow. We color the prints on the vellum paper from the reverse side of distress oxide and archival inks like this. As a result, we will get the following blanks. Very beautiful and sparkly. The next stage is to cut everything out. Poinsettia flowers, leaves and cones are all cute and neat. The boxes of cotton are so adorable. We take a poinsettia flower and cut it in this way, a little short of reaching the middle. Then, with the help of a pen or something similar, we twist the petals. And form a poinsettia flower. I use 3 layers. Stamp "Have a very Merry Christmas" on the cardstock hexagon. We take the basis for the card and glue a slightly smaller mirror cardstock onto it. Then a slightly smaller white cardstock. Then a mirror cardstock hexagon. And finally a lettered hexagon. It's time to make a beautiful arrangement of poinsettia flowers, leaves, cones, berries and boxes of cotton. For the center of the poinsettia, add micro beads. Finally, our card is ready. The card turned out to be bright, delicate and stunning. I'm satisfied with the result. How about you? Thank you for being with me this time. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. See you later!